Armenia has light switch at the bottom of the wall. Armenia has light switch at the bottom of the wall. I think you can close it with your knees and you can switch it on with your knees. This is something that's captured my attention, you know. You don't see so many light switches around the wall that is below your hips. This is a toilet. It's really long toilet. Why do they have so? This is like a waste of space. You see, there's nothing. Right here, the sink to wash your hair, hand dryer, and the toilet is like 5 feet away. There's no shower room. There's nothing at all. So yeah. This is the room. It's pretty small, but it's really quite nice. And it smells really nice. Hey, we got AC. The last room I stayed in didn't have any AC. So TV, so that's an improvement. So the lady told me it costs about $400 to install one of these. Yeah. But about 130,000 drum. So nice. The bathroom is small, but I think they just recently remodel. See all the tire. It looks really nice. Yeah, it's really small. But you know, I pay only about 20 bucks a night. So that's not bad. Cabinet. Yeah, a lot of toilet papers. So the view outside. No, I don't really get to see anything. So it's just first floor. Yeah, the mosquito screen here. Oh, it's much better with AC. Gosh, so look for the room with AC if you are in Armenia. See, look at the power plug right there. That's what it looks like. In US, we usually have the switch right around here. So in Armenia, it's really down. Some of the places you can find switch right here, you know, right by your knees. So you can open the switch with your knees. So this is like a little bit high. So nice. They even give you shoes to wear inside the room, and toothbrush and toothpaste. Not bad. Good service by Airbnb. This looks like water heater.
The advertisement for Melody. Morning cup.
Didn't like it.
Okay, good. When I got to Armenian immigrations, you know, they asked me to take out the cover of the passport. Do you know why?
Why?
Have
No,
you
I
tried
don't.
it before?
No,
Did they ask you to
no,
take
they
out the
didn't ask
cover?
me to take off the cover.
Do you put the cover on your passport?
Yeah, I do.
How about the provinces, like 3 cities?
Dilijan, go to Dilijan.
Diligence. Good, yeah.